Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about Git merge versus Git rebase and how we can able to use these two terminals and into our real time and what exactly difference between these two things. Okay, and step by step I'm going to explain. Don't worry about that like terms and steps how it is flow, and with the diagram I can able to show you in this video. Okay, first I'm going to create for one folder demo merge. Okay, demo merge. First we are going to discussing about the demo merge only, and inside that I'm going to do for I'll do one command prompt opening here directly. We can able to do it for two ways. One is git bash, and another way is a command prompt. Here I'm going to initiate my git terminals. Okay, once we initiated, we can able to see here the term there is a hidden folder creation, it will happen. Okay, once we created here, just I'm going to add for directory and git status. Once we make the git status, it will show on the branches master we have, and there is no commit. And I'm going to add for one directory file m1.txt. Now my file is added here. Okay. Now first what I done here, adjust in the master branch. This is the master branch. Okay. And I'm going to take one second because it is stuck, and I want to take 18 master. Okay, and the master what I done, I added one file, that is m1. Okay, now I'm going to add for git status, and one file is added, and I'm just git add dot indicates that it will add for all the files, or else we can able to add for add m1 dot text. And I'm going to commit my code, commit hyphen m and adding m1 dot txt. Okay, now one file is added, and we can able to see git log. In a git log we can able to see there is one file is added. Okay, in the master branch one file is added. Now means the master branch one file is added. Here I'm going to undo for git branch. Now branch and branch one is a name, and I'm going to check out branch one. But in my branch one having one file, okay, which is m1.txt file, it is presented. You can able to see here git status, and we are in the branch of master, means sub branch is a branch one, and there is a file, it is presented m1. Okay, now I need to add one file directory and f dot txt. Once I added, I can able to see f.txt file is added. Then I'm going to add for my file into a repo and git commit hyphen m, and the message is adding f.txt. Okay, now I have two files into a branch. Okay, now git log, and we can able to see there are two files are there. One is m1 and m2. And now I'm going to back for master git checkout master. It will come back master. Okay. Now what will happen here? I created here the branch. Okay, and that is called branch one. Okay, in the branch one again I added one file that is called f1.txt. Okay, now I come back to master branch, that is f1 presented. I'm completely back to here. Then I'm going to add here one more file, one more file, that is m2. I'm going to add here. But what will happen after branching? We are adding m2, right? That file it will not present into branch one. Okay, but it is presented into master branch. Then I'm going to add here one directory file. I switched into a master branch. Then git status. You can able to see there is no, and we are in a master branch. Okay, and a directory. I'm going to see now m1 file is presented, and I'm coming here a directory m2.txt file I added. Now one another file is added, and I'm going to add dot git commit and hyphen m, and I'm just adding m2.txt. Okay, up to here what will happen? We are added our file into there, and we can able to git log. If you see there are two commit m1 and m2 is presented, correct? But in a branch we have only one two files, m1.txt and f.txt, but here it is not there. But I want to add this file into my future file, which is the branch is presented, that branch place I want to add my file into there. Then how we can able to do it? Means we can able to come back to branch, and once we come back to the branch we need to merge into this file into a branch. Then how we can able to means git checkout branch one. Once we move into a branch we can able to uh, and we can able to merge master. Once we done the master, then it will add into m2, and you can able to see here f and m1 and m2 files, three files are presented. You can able to see here git status. Git status, we are in the branch one, and we have three files are presented. Like this we can able to merge. And what happened here means, now after creation then it will create one more branch here, and here to here one, and here to here. It will link and it will merge your logs, and you can able to see uh, git log also. You can able to see git log. Once you provide the git logs, first is adding m1 and adding f and adding m2, and it is merged into a branch. It is happen like this, and we need to see what exactly different for merge means. Merge to replace, this is the way for merging, and we can able to see another folder creation. Okay, we'll come back here, and I'm going to create for rebase one. Okay, demo rebase. Okay, in demo rebase one I'm going to inside again. I'm doing for, I'm not touching this one because we need to see, and I'm opening for new command prompt. Okay, what are the steps I done, right? Till the date I will do the same thing. Okay, same process, but what exactly where it will difference. Okay, now I'm going to do for git init and I'll add for directory m1.txt, and again I'm going to do for git add git commit adding m m1.txt. Okay, now one is added, and I'm going to create for branch up to merging place. Everything same, that's why I'm going to do for merge branch one, and directory I'm going to do for adding for one file f.txt with add git commit -m adding f.txt, and then git checkout master git directory and m2.txt, and again I'm going to add for git add hyphen m sorry dot git commit hyphen m. I'm going to add for adding m2.txt. Okay, now up to here master branch we have the place, right? And git checkout branch one. Okay, now we can able to see here checkout here master branch, and the switch we have switched into branch one, and I'm going to do for merging git rebase master. Okay, once we done the rebase, then it will add into three files successfully rebase, and we can able to see that git status, git log, git log also you can able to see. Now there is a file m1 f2 and m2 files are presented. Rebase. Okay, and now the difference here is, see both the files I will keep it here. Now this is rebase, one is, now this is rebase, and here is a, one second. Now see here first one, what will happen, it directly m1 adding and f and m2, but if you are using rebase, no, it will directly add it into your local properly, and up to date for the master branch it will add. And here you can see branch one, and here heading for branch and master. Now here if you see branch one master, and again it is coming to heading, right? Here both are heading for master and branch one, both the places. First is the header is the branch one, then based upon that what all the files he added, that the based upon that file it will create the structure. Means up to here the same format. Okay, means m2 place, and what will happen once we create a m2, this file, means this all the structure it will not present, just this adding is there, no, this it will come into here and it will add it, means this entire structure it will not there. And once we rebase, this entire structure it will come into m2 place and it will add, means the flow it will comes like first is a master, then m1 and m2, then branch and future file, and it is merged into that rebase value into this particular location. This is the format it will come and sit into a rebase one. This is all about for branching and rebase. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like my video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.